Well, we're going to rip through town in the snowstorm, ladies and gentlemen. Driving through the town in a snowstorm, check that out. This is what the town looks like at night in a snowstorm. It's like a blizzard. Looks like a freaking blizzard. Imagine that. Getting some serious freaking snow tonight. Church. That man. Got the heat just a crank, and it's cold out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking cold. We'll go by the new Holiday Inn and check that out. Check the new Holiday Inn out tonight. We got yellow lights all the way through. Check out the Owl Restaurant, ladies and gentlemen. Heck yeah. There's the fountain. One buster left up here. 76. Here's the National Guard spot. Look, they got video cameras and everything. Gated security fence. What do they got in there? Holy shit, man. Like, you guys need a gated security fence. That's a little bit outrageous. We've been outrageous today. Oh, this way, there's our library. That big ass building. Some painting on the bridge or something. Some kind of painting. We're gonna go this way. Go check out the new Holiday Inn. Quite possibly 9th Street Dam. Go check out the dam. Scoop down this way, make sure nobody's coming that way. Nobody on the streets tonight. That's awesome. See one car. There's a new Holiday Inn. People at the bar though. It's freaking big ass Holiday Inn. I don't know why they didn't put it on the main road. Well, I ain't no rocket scientist. I don't know everything, I guess. Maybe that was the only spot for it. Who knows today? There's our Holiday Inn. Looks like they're still working. They must be spending the freaking night up in there. All the lights are on and everything. Yep, we'll spin back the opposite way through town. Hopefully I can get some of this wetness off. There we go. Back this way. Check it in reverse. Looks like the snow's giving up a little bit here today. Hopefully the snow gives up and we don't get any more. The car's still hopping. Snowstorm's done. We got a few inches. A couple little snowflakes fell in the picker hood today. Still see some falling up there. We gotta go tape it. Gotta go free tape it. Got the Wendy's video up the street here. Ripping. There's where the old Mike's Hardware was. Anybody see the Mike's Hardware video? There's where Mike's was. The old zone there, it's coming up. There goes John Boy's. We're gonna get some food from there and Nailers. We're gonna do John Boy's and Nailers, folks. Right over here on the right, there used to be 2 houses, and then there's Old Eric's. But they tore the 2 houses down. They'll probably tear his Old Eric's down soon too. Old laundromat over here. Yeah. They're delivering food there. Drive through 24/7. Friday and Saturdays. Yep, that's the end of the town. We'll drive up here. Check out the hospital. The hospital. There's the old big boy. They got it all lit up tonight. Freaking waste of electricity, ladies and gentlemen. Freaking waste of electricity. No clue. No clue why you do that. It's so wasteful. There's the hospital. Alpena Regional Medical Center. Well, actually, it's made in Michigan or some shit. They changed it. Mid-Michigan Health. It used to be Alpena Regional Medical Center. Yep, that's the end of the town tour. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. Well, I guess there's the bridge I taped. We'll tape this little building up here on the corner. It's pretty